How to transfer your photos and videos to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos and videos to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, click on it and then go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and select the Dropbox and next, and now all you need to do is just click connect. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.